Hi, I'm Councillor Ellie King and I'm the Cabinet Member with responsibility for communities and public health. I've been a part of the group of councillors and people from community groups across the city who have designed the Community Resilience Fund. I'm so excited to be part of this pilot project. So what is the Community Resilience Fund and where did it come from? The Community Resilience Fund is a grant for charities and community groups based in and working with the most deprived areas and equality groups in Bristol. It's a fund for physical projects like improvements to community buildings or buying equipment. We know that places for communities to come together are valuable. They need to be well maintained, accessible to everyone, and the aim of this fund is to help them survive and thrive in the future. In 2020, some research was done to understand the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the community and voluntary sector. This was led by 3 organisations, Black South West Network, Locality and VOSCA. They involved 300 organisations in the research to look at how we could build community and strengthen the sector for a long-term future. This fund was set up to respond to recommendations made in the research, to be more equitable, to make decision-making more inclusive, to give more power to communities and to build a better connected city. COVID-19 showed us that there is a lot of inequality in the city. Despite all the work to address issues of inequality, these issues have stayed in place for hundreds of years. The research challenged us to work in new ways and to focus on the root causes of inequality, not just the symptoms. Now we are facing a new challenge. The cost of living crisis will affect community groups and charities too. Their bills are rising, costs of repairs and maintenance becoming harder to manage, and their communities need them more than ever. Being stronger and ready for the future is even more important now. So, where do you come in? The important research done in 2020 told us that one way to make our city stronger and fairer is to involve more and different people in decision making and be more collaborative. We have worked hard to make sure the process for the Community Resilience Fund is inclusive and gives more people the chance to take part. That's because we want people like you to bring your valuable knowledge of your communities to help us make better decisions. We have some experience as a council of inviting residents to make decisions. In 2021, Bristol ran a citizens' assembly. A group of 60 residents from different backgrounds came together to make recommendations to help us answer some big questions about responding to climate change, improving transport and tackling health inequalities. We want this project to build on that project at a more local level. Over the last year, we have been working with organisations across the city to design the Community Resilience Fund. We started off with 3 months of conversations in communities to get people thinking about the opportunities and priorities for the funding in their communities. This stage of identifying priorities was led by 24 local charities or community groups with strong connections and roots in their communities. At the end of this stage, we had a total of 123 project proposals from charities and community groups across Bristol. Now we are handing the power over to you. There are difficult decisions to make. Not everyone who has applied for funding can be successful. We want you to look at these proposals and think about how we can tackle the issues of inequality which we know are there. We're asking you to think and discuss together how we can build on and strengthen what is good in our communities. Thank you for being here and good luck. I hope you enjoy taking part.